Hello Gemini, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Gemini, this is your reading for the month of May and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. In this reading, Gemini will see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. All right, Gemini. So let's see what you need to know. Also, Gemini, I have restarted one question, two question, three question series based on the request I have received. If you're interested in booking a private reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. Okay, the details of the same are in description box and comment section. So, Gemini, let's see what you need to know for the month of May. What do you need to know? What do you need to know for the month of May? Gemini, let's see what do you need to know for the month of May. Let's see what do you need to know for the month of May. We have Knight of Pentacles. I just saw 111 right now. Then we have the Lovers, the Two of Pentacles, the Sun, Three of Wands, and we have the Two of Wands. Bottom of the deck, we have Four of Wands. Interesting. Gemini, you might be dealing with another Gemini. You might be dealing with Leo. A lot of wand cards over here. You might be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag. You might be dealing with Taurus, Virgo. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the same. You might be seeing a lot of 222, 22, 22, 444, 333. Right? Number 9 is of some importance. If the number pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the same. Gemini, there is a very, very, very strong twin flame energy over here. Okay. Either you're dealing with a twin flame or you will meet someone who is going to be your twin flame. Okay. And no, this is not a soulmate. This is strictly a twin flame energy. Pretty strict twin flame energy. Okay. For some of you, you have already met this. Maybe for some of you, you are going through a situation with this person. Okay, you're anticipating a comeback of this person towards you. I think so. Some of you are going through a separation, no contact. For some of you, you met this person and you felt an instant connection with this person, and now you're just waiting for this person to come towards you. For some of you, if you're in a no contact situation, you're waiting for this person to come back. Okay, whatever the case may be, this person is coming towards you with an offer. Okay, and I do see a lot of happiness. I do see two souls coming together. I do see union of two sacred souls, union of two destined people, destined to be together, destined to come together, destined to uh, enjoy time together, destined to experience happiness, destined to procreate. Again, take how it resonates. For some of you, this can be a long distance connection. Like, I do see a lot of texting and calling and video chatting and all that stuff. And if it's a long distance connection, it's likely that this person lives in a different country or at least a different state. Because I do see there is a really long distance between both of you. Okay. But this is a connection that will bring a lot of joy. Okay. I think so. If anybody of you are experiencing um, a low phase in your life, or if anybody of you are experiencing stagnancy, that low phase, mood swings, or uh, bouts of depression, they will fade away, they will go away, and that will get replaced with a lot of happiness, that will get replaced with a lot of enthusiasm and excitement to take your life in the new direction or the desired direction. And that is going to happen because whoever is coming towards you is someone who is very spiritually awakened soul. This twin of yours is an extremely spiritually awakened soul, and they do radiate a lot of positive energy, and their energy will break you free from any sort of stagnancy that you're experiencing, any sort of dull moments you're experiencing in your life. This person is going to be the source of energy for you, Gemini, and the kind of energy you will experience with this person is going to be extraordinary. You will literally feel like you have gotten out of a sick period, or you've gotten out of your illness. You no more feel sick, right? Uh, for some of you, the physical intimacy between you and this person is going to be so freaking strong that procreation will happen really soon. Pregnancy is There is a possibility of pregnancy in the situation, high chances of pregnancy, and it might even be the possibility that even if you are in your 40s or 50s, I do see someone becoming pregnant in 40s and 50s as well. Okay, so that's what I see. Apart from that, if at all you're planning to launch something new, a new business, a new project, I think so this is a perfect time. Okay, so this is a very good time to launch and start that project, because what I see over here is you're filled with a lot of passion, you're filled with a lot of energy, a lot of excitement, a lot of enthusiasm. There is a lot of willingness to put in the necessary hard work. Okay, and at the same time, for many of you, there is some sort of a good news related to your love life that is going to give you that adrenaline rush. Okay, that push, that excitement to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so I do see something amazing you might plan to do when it comes to your career, when it comes to your job, your business. Okay. Uh, I just heard the word electrifying energy. I would like to associate that with passion. So all in all, I do see that you're coming across as someone who is very passionate about a lot of things in the month of May. Highly energetic, highly passionate, highly excited to do a lot of things, and you will be able to accomplish those. Okay. Partnerships will be of great importance, whether romantic partnerships, business partnerships, any other partnerships. You will notice that because of partnerships, you are able to accomplish even the impossible task with a lot of ease. Okay. So, partnerships will turn out to be really, really fruitful in the month of May. Uh, Apart from that, it's quite possible that by the end of the month, you might plan a trip, a short trip, or a vacation somewhere. Okay, and you might decide about it pretty randomly. A road trip is what I'm hearing for some of you, but this is something that you will try to get in the vicinity of the nature. I'm hearing a valley. Yeah, for some of you, you might go to the beach. Okay, but I'm hearing a valley, somewhere in a cooler place, high up in the altitude. For some of you, yeah, of course you're visiting the ocean, so it might be humid. But for majority of you, I feel like you want to go somewhere near the cooler place. Okay, high up on the altitude. All right, I do hope this resonates, and hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, take care, have a great time, and bye bye, guys, and take care of yourself. This is your spread. Okay, take care and bye.